On YouTube, I got a quick unboxing for you guys. I ordered 4 parts from STM Tuned. 2 of those 4 parts are going to be installed by Moon Performance here shortly. Huge shout out to Elijah. If you live in Arizona and you have an Evo, you need some work done, do yourself a favor, do your Evo a favor, and make sure you hit him up. I'm going to link his Instagram down below. I also want to thank STM Tuned for the superb customer service, their fast shipping. So let me stop boring you guys to death and show you guys what I purchased. This is not a sponsored video by any means. So it's a Greddy oil drain plug. It's magnetic. I got Stop Tech front stainless steel lines and the same Stop Tech rear stainless steel lines. Also ordered the Grim Speed 3-port boost control solenoid for an Evo. Like I said before, one of those parts is for a future video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Like always, thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.